Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to book Tatkal railway tickets in India through IRCTC mobile app. So this is the official IRCTC app. So I'm using an Android device. The same is available on Apple Store also. So first you need to register a 4-digit PIN for your account that you already created on the web. So for the same account you can create a 4-digit PIN and log in from here. So initially I will give you a walkthrough, then I will show you the actual booking, how fast you can do it. So let me select any station from source to destination. Since I can book Tatkal for, I want Tatkal for tomorrow only. So I will search for all the trains where the seats are available. You can sort according to your need. So when you double click on it, the sorting changes from ascending to descending. So you should be very informative, means where your train lies. Like if you have to short it such a way that you can find the train number very easily on this page. So beforehand you have to make a practice uh, where the train number is, like either it is at the end of the page so that you can simply swipe up and select, or you should remember like on the fourth number this train is. Okay, so this will not be of very much of use because I will show you a different trick also. So just check in advance how many seats are there in that Tatkal for that day. So first is to click on Tatkal, then on the sorting thing. So it says that on 5th there is one seat available, because this train may be running one day before the actual starting. So it's Tatkal has opened today only. So when you have a confirmed visibility that okay there is one seat in this, so be prepared like 15 to 20 minutes before the actual booking time. uh, this is 10 a.m for the third AC and second AC, and we have 11 o'clock in the morning for the sleeper bookings. So the next step is to add your list, the passengers list. So adding your passenger list, you can add passenger from here and save it for the future use. Or the best way is to update your master list with only those users for which you are booking the tickets. So you can go to the irctc.co.in. There will be, in my profile you will find the master list. Delete all the other entries and only mark those which are to be used for the Tatkal booking. The next step will be to select passenger from here and click done. So this will be auto added. So these lists should be there in your master list. Okay. Next step will be to click on book ticket. Then we have to enter a captcha 6. So actually these are in caps only, so you can keep your keyboard in caps only format so that it is easy to type at that time. So there are different options available for payment. So there are few e-wallets, that is by IRCTC, MobiKwik and GeoMoney. So if you are a frequent traveler, you can enable your IRCTC wallet. But the problem with IRCTC wallet is that it can be used only for railway ticket booking, and you cannot transfer back money from IRCTC wallet to your bank account. So once a money is put, and just in case you are not able to use it in the Tatkal or normal ticket booking, so it will be kept unused in your IRCTC wallet. So it is not very much recommended for those who are like very rare travelers. Sometimes they travel like twice in a year maybe, so they should avoid. It's upon their liking. If they have some money to spare for our citizen booking, they can put it here, because this will be faster, but it will hold your money for a long time. Second thing is MobiKwik. MobiKwik is okay, no problem with it. You can use Moviquick and GeoMoney. Actually, I have not used GeoMoney, but it should be working the same way the Moviquick does. But the option that I generally prefer is Paytm. So there is one more click for Paytm, because for Paytm you have to click on the payment page, then click on Pay, and then click Paytm wallet from here. But the good thing is it automatically take the phone numbers and click on the next page, and the OTP is already fed, and you can click on submit. So another benefit about Paytm is that if you don't have the sufficient amount in your account, it will ask you to add through your credit or debit card, just in case you have forgotten. But make sure you have sufficient amount in Paytm before you even try to book a ticket. So I will cancel it, and we'll go through a actual run process, and we'll see how much time you have to wait, or is there any latency or something that you face. So I will start a new booking for the same destination tomorrow in a different train. So it will try to search for trains. So this you have to do before 10 o'clock. You have to select which train you have to book in, like any train, third AC, and you have to wait on this page only. You don't have to go anywhere. And when it is allow right 9:58 or 9:59, you have to click on this 3AC or sleeper, whichever option that you are booking ticket in, and the page will refresh here only. So you don't have to actually sort, so that sorting thing has sorted out. So now you can click on this third AC, and the page will refresh. So sometimes what happen when you click on refresh at around 10 o'clock, so it takes a lot of time. So don't get disheartened, stay cool and calm on that page only, because you will come back to the booking page once it is available. On second page you have to quickly select this book and be prepared for your captcha entry. So even this process, book ticket, will take some time. It may take 1 minute also, depending upon how many requests the server at the IRCTC is handling. The next step will be to enter LR9PN and click to payment. You remember you have to pay with Paytm. So just click Paytm, OTP. As soon as the OTP is entered here automatically, just click on submit. So this is how simple it is. It is simple, but you have to be patient in the intermediary steps. Hope this solves your Tatkal troubles. Thank you so much.